This Forex strategy here is going to blow your mind away, traders. I'm Shakil Samai, and in this video, I'll be teaching you guys a very powerful Forex strategy that's going to work on NASDAQ mainly and tells you when to buy and sell. And as you can see, look at this. Just a little motivation for you guys. 194,000 on my dashboard. This is insane. Things are working and so can it do for you. Not only that, but my copy trading made 156 or 158% ROI. And if you don't know what is copy trading, let me tell you guys basically why I'm sharing this, right? The exact same strategy I'm sharing with you guys is the exact same strategy I'm using on my copy trading. So you can see the results I had, right? It's insane. I basically made 160% ROI for all my investors. This is all private investors, okay? And you can join the private investors. You can be part of that. Or if you want to join the copy trading, if you don't know what it is, like I always explain to you guys, it's basically where you fund your own trading account, right? And I have my own trading account, and then I link it, but you need to be using my broker. So if you want to join this copy trading or be a private investor, right, just message me down below in the description. There's a link. Message me, you want to join copy trading, right? And then I can show you and I can guide you, but you need to have at least anything above $200 and upwards, and I can make you the same profits right here. All you got to do is basically message me. Not only that, but I actually don't sell any courses or mentorship, guys. All this information I'm sharing for free in my free Forex group, which is in my description. I only trade the Forex market, have in private investors or copy traders, you can call them. Right? That's how I basically make my money, is making money for my investors and myself. With that being said, guys, I do teach for free. Just join the free group in the description. But let's get onto the chart now, and I'll show you guys how to cook this up for you guys. Sneak a peek. Ooh, let's go. We officiate the chart. Let's get it cooking. What is the strategy I'm talking about, traders? What is Shakil talking about? What is making me to say when I'm the buy or sell? Now, I understand there's one indicator I'm using, but I did teach that. And if you want me to teach the indicator again, show you more examples, show you more in depth, just comment down below. Show more about the RSI. Show me more. And again, I read the comments, guys. Then if I see this, people saying, do the RSI, show me more of this strategy, teach us more. If people are commenting down below, I'm gonna read it and I'm gonna add that value. I'm gonna make that videos for you guys. Okay. Now, let's go into what am I talking about. First of all, understand this strategy works mainly on NASDAQ, on US30 as well. And look, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it does work on currency, but I'm gonna speak about NASDAQ right now. I'm gonna speak about NASDAQ. I'm gonna show you guys on a few other markets, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it is. It's very straight to the point. Now, what is this thing? Number one, right? Know your session. Know your session. Now, what is this, Shakil? What do you mean? Why is it so important to keep mentioning this? Know your session. The session, there's two types of sessions that we're looking at. It's a London session and the New York session. Now, if I understand the London session, it is a pound-oriented pair. So we're going to look at pound pairs. If it's a New York session, you're going to choose, we're going to look at USD pairs like NASDAQ, USD, right? Any USD pair, USD-JPY, or even it's Euro USD, GB USD, the USD pair, okay? But if we're going to go for the pound pairs, we're going to do GBP, JPY, GBP, USD, GBP, whatever the case is. You get the story right now. So know your session. Number one is choosing your session, and that is the easiest thing to do, right? After that, choose your pair. Now, I'm going to get to the strategy right now, but let me get just the layout of this. Is the layout. Choose your pair, okay? Choose your pair. Your pair, okay? If you choose your pair, you'll be able to understand your session as well. You see, the third thing you want to understand right now is that very, very, very important is all you need is one trade a day. So one trade a day. And why is this a trade a day? Why is this a day? Okay. Keeps a doctor away. Can you just comment down below right that? Can we all agree? It's very simple. It's discipline. If you can't be disciplined, don't trade. If you don't want to be disciplined, don't trade. The case is one trade a day, right, keeps the doctor away. So just comment down below. One trade a day keeps the doctor away. And like this video, guys. Let's go. Right? The fourth thing I want you guys to know, we're going to go into the strategy now. Right? Stick to the damn trend. Stick to the damn trend. God damn. Just stick to the trend. If you don't understand how to identify the trend, then don't worry, this video is going to be for you. Also, with that being said, guys, I'm going to show you guys what time frame I'm using and how easy it is for me to know if to buy or sell. Look here, if you know when to buy, right? If you know the market's going to buy or sell, you have the upper hand on the market because you know, okay, market's going to buy. It's just now when do I buy and where do I buy? You understand what I mean? But let me show you guys how do I start spotting this. The fifth thing is now on the 15-minute or 5-minute, right? Spot the trend. This is the very important thing. Spot the trend. Now, bro, if you understand I'm trying to say that here, that if you understand I'm trying to say is that if you can spot the 50-minute or the 5-minute trend, it's going to be one of the time frames, right? You will know if this thing is going to buy in the new section or it's going to sell in the new section. And if you can do this consistently every single day, you can start paying your bills with pips consistently, because all you need to do is get one trade consistently every day, and eventually at the end of the month you'll have a bunch of money, or you made like a couple of money. For me, example, last month I made 100,000 rand, and you could have been part of that. Of course, there's a certain risk I've taken to make that, but if you want to make 1,000 every day, don't be cheap and don't risk. Be scared to risk. If you want to make money in the market, you must take the risk. But at the same time, you must be willing to be disciplined as a student, because in the day, being a student of the market will allow you to grow. If you think you know it all, you're basically closed off to actually to grow. But because you're here watching this video, I'm assuming that you're open to grow and you're going to apply this, because this is watching a lot of fucking videos is not going to get you anywhere, bro. Like, I'll be honest with you, like watching a lot of YouTube videos is not going to get you anywhere. You need to lock in, like follow one methodology, follow it, really live by, try out for a couple of months and see if it really works. Now, since you have this, let's go test this out now. Let's go test this out. I'm show you guys what I'm talking about. So, if the trend for the day before the New York session opens, so you want to do this also last 16, right? Do this before the session opens, like 15 or 5 minutes to 5 to 15 minutes ahead of time. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense to you guys. I hope that makes sense. It's basically do this, right? Like spotting the trend, do it 5 minutes or 50 minutes ahead of time before the New York Open or the London session open. So because New York opens right now in South African time, 3:30, I'm gonna come like 3:15 to spot the trend, right? Let's do this today. For example, let's talk about today, right? On the 5-minute, look how easy was this, right? Just look how easy this is. Now, if this is very easy, and I took this trade, you know, I'm gonna show you guys. Let me show you guys. I took this trade today. I took this trade on a copy trade as well. So my copy trading people made money, or my investors made money today. You know what I mean? It is Monday. I don't recommend trading on Monday, but if I do trade on Monday, you know, it's gonna be low risk. So again, you can see for yourself. This was today. Let me show you guys today before we move forward. You know what I mean? Not too bad, not too bad. Wait, why is this thing blocking me like this? Not too bad, not too shabby, not too shabby traders. Look at that, not too shabby. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Of course, only live accounts on this side, guys. You know, I'm the one of the only traders here right now in South Africa who give these trading logins out here. You know what I mean? We're doing the most. We're doing the most trades. We're doing the most. We're doing the most. But anyway, let's continue right now. So what I say is the first thing, spot the trend. I'm on the 5-minute right now. You can see the trend was down, right? Let's do this. Let's do this. So how do you know what trend it is, guys? Right, uptrend goes like this: high, low, high, low, high, low. If the market does this, we're gonna look for the buys, right? The market's buying. If the market's going like this, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, it is selling. Don't flip it overcomplicate it, man. Right? Don't try to predict, oh, it's going up, it's going to start selling, it's going down, oh, it's to start buying, go against the trend. No, it's very simple. Now, once that is done, right, let's spot this up together right now. So this was today, live market. You see, market is going low and lower, lower, but then eventually market starts going higher, lower, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. Now, it was going down here, but then market started going up here. You understand? The structure started changing right here. You can see markets going higher and higher. Instead of going lower, 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 markets going higher, higher, higher. So it means market's now in an uptrend. You understand me? So now I could see, once I start understanding markets in an uptrend, I'm looking immediately the new session. I know from here to there, oh, it's a beautiful trend. We're going to start buying this market, right? That's what I'm looking for. So I know in the new session, It's in a buy. Just be patient. Watch. The New York session opens. It starts buying higher. Look at this. Look at this massive buy. It just starts buying higher. Okay. It comes back lower. It gives you opportunity to get in. Now, I understand this is your opportunity to get in for buys, guys. You understand? That's your opportunity to get in for buys. Look at that. That was an easy move higher. Guys. You can't say 5,700 pips is not big enough. Like, did I do something magical here? No, I just simply said, follow the trend. And that's all you got to do now, guys. If this is valuable right now, all you got to do is like this video. And if you want me to help you further, if you want to join my free live webinar as a host every single day, which is part of my mentorship, it's my free group down in the description. If you want to trade with the best broker, it's only in the description. Sign up with the best broker. If you want to let me copy my trades onto your trades and on your account and you do nothing, message me in the description. Let me show you guys how I actually apply this on your chart, on your trading account, and you make money. Of course, I mean, that is for free, man. You're not going to pay me upfront, but I'm going to take 30% of all profits. You take 70% of profits. That's the transparency as it is, guys. But with that being said, let's do another example for you guys. Okay, let me show you guys another example. Maybe on USD, right? Maybe on USD. Let's do an example for you guys in USD. This was today. Let's do today. Let's go a few minutes before the time. Let's say let's do this today. Same thing, guys. On the 5 minutes, let's go to the 50 minute and show you guys on the 50 minute how it looks, right? So like, okay, cool. What's the trend for the day? Not yesterday or last week. I'm saying today. So I say, okay, where did the day start? Monday. Monday started around right here, like that's Monday. So I say, okay, lower, higher, okay, that's higher. It's confusing. Goes lower, high, lower, high. But here it's failing, goes up. So I'm saying, okay, market is downtrend, but it's failing to go lower. So if we break past this highs right here, this structure right there, let me clear this up for you guys, show you much more better. Okay, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now, let's show you guys what I'm talking about. Can you see that market's in a downtrend, right? It's creating a higher high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower low. But you see it's going down. Now, if we break past this level right here, right, like that, we're going to see this thing start by because, look here, the trend is down. But if we fail to break below in this level right here, right, that's showing you signs of weakness to the downside. And then if we break the lower high and we get the higher high in the New York session, we're going to start buying higher. Do you get what I'm saying? Now let's go and check what I'm talking about. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's watch this. Look at that. 5 minute time frame. Look at that. Ahead of time. Look at the structure ahead of time. Look at the structure on the 5 minute. Look at the structure on the 5 minutes. It's going up. It's going up, guys. This means buyers. Look at that. Market pushes down, gives you opportunity to get in, right? Gives you opportunity to get in. All you do is take the buy. Why are you making things so complicated, man? Like this video, subscribe and go crazy. Just say, yo, just comment down below TFE, go wild. Join the free group, man. This is the best thing ever. I'm telling you guys, I don't sell any mentorship. I don't sell any courses. So what is there more for me to prove to you guys? The proof is in the pudding. I link my account to your trading account. Right? If you have enough funds in your trading account, just message me. If you're not in your own trading account, I mean, where am I going with this now? I made a mistake there. I said, if you want to actually make the bag, right? And you're serious about this, but while you're learning, just find your own trading account using my broker. Message me and let me show you guys to do this. As you learn this methodology, practice, you can make money. Let's go, man. Let's go. Once again, guys, let me do one last example for you guys, right? On gold, for example, on gold for you guys, right? This is an example on gold for you guys. Beautiful example on gold. Okay, here we go. Now the question is, what was the trend ahead of time? What was the trend of ahead of time right here? Early in the morning, right? You see, you come to the chart and say it's up, it's bullish. There's nothing but it's straightforward, it's bullish. So what you gonna look for? Buys. And you patiently wait. The visual market comes to the area. Oh, at the area AOI, you're gonna take a buy. Now you don't have to go all the way up, right? Guys, sometimes you just have to, like, you know what? being sometimes like I don't need to always get the biggest moves, you know. Sometimes you can get like an easy move, but let's say you go back for the highs. You know, let's say you go back for the highs, you buy that, buy, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. It's crazy, man. It's crazy, man. This is London session. You would kill London session like that. But that being said, guys, hey, I'm gonna get going right now with your mentor Shakil Samai. Join the free group, join the copy trading, you know. That's where I'm making money from all my investors via copy trading. And if you want to learn, I don't sell any mentorship, I don't sell any courses, you know, join the free group. I mentor people right there for free. Really, just join it in the description, check it out for yourself. And I mean, the proof is in the pudding. A lot of the guys, I know a lot of the, and if you watch this video and you're from the free group, just drop a comment down there. So just so other people can really know it's real, right? Because I know a lot of people when they hear it, like, is it real? Like, is it real? Then some of them join and then they say, yo, this shit is real. But most times, before they join, they're always like, is it real? So if you from the mentorship and it's free, the one in the free group, right? TFE group, the Forex Elite, comment there down below. It's real, guys. You know, motivate other people. You know, support other team, the members to join us. It's free. You know, there. Yeah. What I say, guys. Peace, love, happiness. I'm gonna see you guys on the other side. Hopefully, to see you guys in the free group, in the live webinars that I host every morning. Tomorrow, I'm gonna host one as well. Today is it's the 17th of July. So tomorrow, the 18th of July, South African time, 8 a.m. in the morning, I'm hosting a live webinar again. With that said, peace, love, and happiness. You meet Shakil Samai. Signing out to you guys in the next one. Okay.